I'm Christy Conway with Charleston Home and Design Magazine, and I'm here at the Citadel's Johnson Hagood Stadium for the Charleston Home and Design Show. I'm standing with Alicia of Artistic Design and Construction. Alicia, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, I'm great. Finally the weather's kind of turning around. It's supposed to be warmer today and tomorrow. But how did yesterday go for you?
It was wonderful. It was a good show. We had a lot of our people who were out looking for new construction. You can tell the tide has turned in the economy. You can really see people who are already building or in the process of thinking about it.
That's fantastic. So you got some good leads then?
Absolutely.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, I noticed your booth is a little bit different this time. This ICF over here, that's different. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
We are in the process now of a ICF project, which is insulated concrete form.
Okay.
So what we're looking at here is basically it goes the other direction.
Okay.
The blocks interlock. You've got insulation on either side. The rebar goes into each piece and then also inside.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a steel grid that goes in, and then we pour it full of concrete.
Okay.
So extremely strong and extremely energy efficient.
Okay.
It's a great product. It's a little bit more costly than building a standard construction home, but also for our earthquake and hurricane in this area, it's a great product.
I was going to say, so yeah, in a hurricane, how would this kind of home react?
It's as good as we can get here.
Okay.
It's as good as we can get. The walls are, there are some programs out there, and this is one product that you may see it on your insurance when a homeowner gets finished with their home. They bring us a certificate and they say, is this home built to fortified building standards? Which of course now insurance is becoming such an issue in Charleston due to our flood changes and all those things that are going on. This product is part of a package that does definitely lend itself to those construction standards. Now there's a lot more to qualifying under that, but it's just, as far as impact and missile and, 2x4 or trees, it's extremely strong.
Okay. Now, how long have you been in the building industry yourself?
Do I have to say how old I am?
A long time. But she's very young. It's quite odd how that works.
Let's just say over 30 years.
Okay. All right. You came out of the womb. Just knowing
yes,
all
I knew
about
it
building.
immediately.
Okay. So you obviously know all the different ways to make a home stronger, more efficient, and things like that.
We are a certified green builder, certified green professional with the National Association of Home Builders. That's something that we do as a just above and beyond kind of situation. We do not actually have to put the home into that program, but it sure does mean that we have done the research. We can help somebody come up with the energy efficiency factors. The other thing that's really important is just indoor air quality and how healthy a home is for somebody to live in, and that's part of that, in addition to your normal green sourcing kind of things. Am I buying something locally or am I having it shipped from China? Mm-hmm. Those are all the factors that go into that.
So do you try, if you can, to get materials that are from the United States, maybe East Coast? Okay.
Yes, yeah,
Right.
it helps everybody. And all of those energy factors are not just about what your cost is after you move into the home, but how much is it involved in the construction.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So tell me a little bit about the process of getting a hold of you. How do you sit down and design a house? How does that all work?
Right. We are available. We would sit down at no charge to do a couple of things. If somebody already has their home plan, great, bring it to me. I don't want to do it again. I like that. But what I find is so much of the time people cannot find a house plan. They've got, they'll come and I'll tell you to come in, bring me a book, go to house.com. That's one of my favorite sites, and give me photographs. I like this, I like this, I like this. They'll be online, they'll see different plans, and they like this room and they like this room, but really we wanted it in this area.
Isn't that always the way?
Right. So what we can do, have the capacity to do, is to take all of that information, put it together in a house plan. We do it in a 3D software. You can walk not only the outside, but what I do, I go on to the next level and do interiors, so you can see the cabinets, and I'll put furniture in, whatever. Because sometimes that makes a difference in the house design.
Sure.
We do our design build process, if you don't already have your home, in 2 phases. So the home construction gives you a little bit of security that if we're doing the design, that you're not totally locked in, but we definitely want the opportunity to bid the job.
Okay.
So, and we're a great builder, certified master builder. We can do, we can do it. We can put it together.
Well, you've got probably a huge portfolio of work that you've done just here in the Low Country. Do you have any of that online? Can people check that out?
Yes, absolutely. Our email is www.artisticdesign and spelled out construction.com.
Okay. And what about a phone number?
It's 843-573-2444.
Do you suggest that people, can they stop by? Should they call and set up an appointment?
Call.
Okay.
I don't charge for an initial consultation.
Fantastic.
We'll sit down, we'll look at it. But we are, the time is something that we have to work out.
Sure.
Because I'm out on jobs, I'm in that, we're talking to other people. We just want to make sure we can give full attention.
Definitely. Okay. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me. We've been talking with Alicia from Artistic Design and Construction here at the Citadel's Johnson Hagood Stadium at the Charleston Home and Design Show.